integration. So previously in indefinite integration, we have learned that if f of x dx, if we integrate this function f of x, then we will get a function f of x plus a constant c, right?
Yes.
Then in indefinite integration, we will put some limits. Integration of f of x with respect to x from the limit a to b, where a is lower limit and b is upper limit, right?
Yes.
And if we integrate this, it will become f of x f of x, but constant will be removed, and here we will put the limit a and b. So after integration, we will get a function and we will put limit upon that function. So how we will put, like, first put b here, so f of b, then minus sign, then put a, then put a here. So it will become f
Yes.
of a. Okay. So a can be here, a and b. So a can be greater than b, or a can be less than b, or a is equal to b. Anything can be happen. Okay, like this.